So we've had a customer bring in a 2000 model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now this thing's probably one of the moldiest ones that we've had. Yes, there was a couple of snakes in it, and there was actually a nest of ants in the back of it, and we found the queen ant, so to speak. But not gonna give everything away. I'm gonna kind of hand this off to somebody else really, really special, if you know what I mean. And we're gonna let him take it from there. I'm Jamie Buchanan, and I've been a full-time professional auto detailer for over 32 years. I've been paid to detail and restore everything from fighter jets to multi-million-dollar cars. Any of your buddies want you to come pick them up if you had that thing. To some of the nastiest, dirtiest jobs that no one else in the world would even touch. Oh, God almighty. Now I'm here to bring you pro-level tips, tricks, and advice from professionals in the detailing industry worldwide. But here's the deal. You need to hit the like and subscribe. It's something that your mother would really want you to do.
So this Jeep is the moldiest vehicle that I think I've personally ever worked on. The most important part of this detail is going to be the pre-rinse. We've got a 3000 PSI pressure washer that also circulates hot water, and we've got a plethora of chemicals we can try to break down that mold before we start washing, because we don't want to agitate the dirt on top of the paint before we get a lot of that algae and mold off. But it almost looks like it has bark on it. The mold is that thick on it. So we're gonna do a great pre-rinse on it. Once we get that first layer off, we'll see what we have left to work with and see if we have any mold eaten to the paint. So we've done our pre-rinse already. So now we're gonna start washing it how we would normally prep one. So I'm gonna start with my door jambs, my tires, my fender wells, then we'll clean the wheels, and then we'll start washing it. We'll have to wash it piece by piece because it's so dirty. We just wanna make sure that when we do a spot, we move on from it, we don't gotta go back and touch it up. So. Before we started, I did sweep and blow the bay, and then now it looks worse than before I cleaned it.